I'm Erik Hartstrom with the Living Trust Academy. What I want to share with you now are the 5 key pieces of an estate plan. Now, a lot of times people think of an estate plan as just a will or just a trust or something, but there's actually 5 really key elements to an estate plan that make it work. The first one is a distribution plan. You want to answer the questions of who's getting what, when are they getting it, and more importantly, who's in charge. After the distribution plan, you need to have an incapacity plan. You need to be able to answer the question, who's going to make your financial decisions and who's going to make your medical decisions if you can't. Number 3 is your protection plan. Long-term for your beneficiaries, you want to answer the question of whether you're protecting them from themselves or protecting them from third parties. Protecting them from themselves can involve individuals who are disabled or just individuals that you don't want to let make financial decisions because you know they're just going to waste the hard-earned money that you've worked hard to build up over the years. Protecting them from third parties involves making sure that creditors, lawsuits, and even divorcing spouses are going to have a very hard time trying to take their inheritance away from them. The 4th thing for your estate plan is your implementation plan. Your legal documents don't actually live in a dusty binder. They have jobs to do. And so with our action package, we show you exactly what you need to do. With your living trust, there are things that you have to do to make sure that that is fully funded. And with your power of attorney and healthcare directive, those need to be on file with some specific people. And so we show you who those people are and where to take those documents. And lastly, there's some important conversations that you need to have with some very key people, your beneficiaries, your successor trustee, and others. So we should talk to you about all of those important conversations and give you some tips on making sure that those conversations are successful. 5th and finally, we have your maintenance plan. And this is where we provide ongoing education for you in how to properly care and feed your living trust and your other estate planning documents so that your estate plan doesn't become a relic of the past, but rather a living document that will protect your family the way you've intended to. 5th and finally, your maintenance plan. This is where we'll sit down with you on a regular basis to review your estate plan, because we don't want your estate plan to be a relic of the past, but rather a living document that will provide the protection that you've planned for your family. Not only will we do that, we also provide ongoing education for you and your family so that you can best understand how to provide that ongoing protection for your family. I'm Erik Hartstrom with the Living Trust Academy.